Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sira Indri. Today I would like to present two parts in this video. In part 1, I will explain the map and answer several questions related to direction and location based on the map provided. In part 2, I will talk about my hobby and daily activities by answering a few questions. Is there a public hospital near here? Where is it? Yes, there is. The public hospital is on Yosudarso Street, on the right side, right across from Ramayana. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is on Yosudarso Street, on the left side of the road. It is right next to the Chinese restaurant, and it is across from the railway station and the drugstore. Where is the Ramayana department store? Ramayana is on Yosudarso Street, on the right side of the road. It is at the far right end, next to the Chinese restaurant and across from the public hospital. Excuse me, are there any restaurants around here? Where is it? Yes, there is one restaurant here, a Chinese restaurant. It is located in the middle of Yosudarso Street between Ramayana and the National Bank of Indonesia. Can you tell me where the drugstore is? Sure, the drugstore is on Marta Dinata Street, near the railway station. From Yosudarso Street, go down to Marta Dinata Street, and the drugstore is on the left side of the road, right next to the railway station. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Sure. From Marta Dinata Street, turn left onto Yosudarso Street. The railway station is right next to the drugstore on the left side of the road, and it's across from the National Bank of Indonesia. What is your hobby? My hobby is making keychains from feather wire. I enjoy saving colorful feather wire in Tokyo from Like Flower. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually do it on the weekends or when I have more free time. What do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, I make kitchens and other handicrafts. Sometimes I also relax and watching movies. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, I do it quite often because it's easy, fun, and doesn't take much time. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I usually make kitchens about 2 or 3 times a week. As from watching movies, I do it almost every day during my breaks. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually stay at home to make kitchens, but sometimes I go to stores to buy material. That's a little story about my hobby of making keychains from feather wire. I think that hobby is fun, creative, and easy to do at home. That's all from my video presentation about explaining a map and sharing my hobby. Thank you. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.